Hello and welcome back to this lesson. Here we will learn 21 words that are similar in English and French. So let's begin. So the first text will be a French word, the second text will be its pronunciation, and the third will be followed by an English word. Here comes the first word. Fantastique. Fantastique. That means fantastic. Second word is delicieux. Delicieux. That means delicious. Extraordinaire. Extraordinaire. That means extraordinary. Parfait. Parfait. That means perfect. Hôpital. Hôpital. That means hospital. A. That means is. Terrible. Terrible. That means terrible. Café. Café. That means coffee. Person. Person. That means persons. Table. Table. That means table. Chat. Chat. That means cat. Anglais. Anglais. That means English. Espagnol. Espagnol. That means Spanish. Plant. Plant. That means plant. Station. Station. That means station. Journalist. Journalist. That means journalist. Université. Université. That means university. Aéroport. Aéroport. That means airport. Train. Train. That means train. Taxi. Taxi. That means taxi. Passport. Passport. That means passport. Avianto. See you soon. I hope you all like this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.